Hey guys, Brendan from TAT here. And today I'm just going to go over another repair solution that we've got on the website that's helped me with a repair today. So I've got a Toyota RAV4 here that customers brought in. They've complained that it's doing some odd shifting with the automatic transmission. Now myself, I don't do much automatic transmission work, so it's something that I would tend to shy away from, but we at least have them in there, a customer of ours, we do the servicing, so we can do preliminary checks and then it may get referred on to a gearbox shop if it's something quite deep. But in this case, the power of TAT, I was able to get some good information that led me to being able to do this repair, keep it in shop. So the problem with this car, a lot of fault codes that we can retrieve from it. So we've got P0750 transmission shift solenoid A malfunction, P0755 shift solenoid B malfunction, 5 others or so, but to run through them, P0607 control module performance. So quite a list there, right? So we can either use those fault codes to put into the search of TAT, and so that would be up here in the search function. Or what I like to do as part of my preliminary checks, after I've gone through, check the bulbs work, check the battery, check the charge rate, do whatever is your usual diagnostics for that first period, I'll go through and I'll check if there's any repair solutions for that vehicle on TAT. Think of it kind of like TSBs, right? So this one being a Toyota RAV4, I've gone into repair solutions. We've then chose our manufacturer, so this being a Toyota RAV4. Now this is going to show me all the RAV4s, and I'm looking for anything that's gearbox related really. So there was actually a couple that helped me, but to go into this one, which is a 2004 Toyota RAV4, and we can click into that repair solution. And so we can read through this, and reading through, I thought, great, jackpot, this sounds just like what my problem is. It goes through the symptoms they were having, some of the things that they did. There's another one in there, as I said, that read very similar. So basically what it comes down to on this one is there's a problem with the electronic control module, ECU, whatever you want to call it, powertrain control module I suppose you would call it, because this one it deals with the engine and the automatic. That one module controls the whole thing. So the fault that these get is they'll start to erratically control these solenoids on the gearbox. So from having really good direction there, it was very quick for me to be able to say to the customer, this is my direction, we need a little bit more time, but this is the testing that I'm going to do for you. And we were able to see erratic operation of those shift solenoids, not poor resistance of the solenoid, but poor control of them, and that would intermittently, this thing is engaging solenoids that shouldn't, hence why you're getting just absolutely crazy gearbox behavior. So in the end, your two options, you can either put a new ECU in these, or you can actually get them repaired. So in this case, we've got it repaired, we've got a happy customer. I'm happy I haven't spent a massive amount of time in an area that I'm not extremely skilled in, but we're able to get the repair done, keep the customer in-house, and everyone wins in the end. Thanks guys.